honey.
Ow.
You just did it.
Ow. Fuck! Drive! Drive! What? Don't fucking laugh at me. I'm fucking laugh at you.
You're funny.
Oh my fucking god, I bet you this is the same guy that ordered stuff from Anton's. Shelly. Shelly! Shelly! Yeah! Anya! Delivery's good. Is that where I park?
I think you park up there.
So do I, but I'm not sure. But then let's, Yay. Alright, so let me take a look.